Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to demonstrate how you can actually fix the display color issues in the iQOO 7 device after recent software update. Just a couple of days back there has been an update which started to roll out in the iQOO 7 devices, and after that update I'm getting so many comments regarding the display color issues. So many comments, and just yesterday I did upload the video friends demonstrating the problem as well. So for this video I did get plenty of response as well. This is a video which I did upload. The main reason of me uploading this video is because I need to get the feedback from the real iQOO 7 users, and I did get the feedback as well. And thank you for your feedback and writing the comments as well in this under this video. And there are two ways how you can actually fix this display color issues in the iQOO 7 device. Definitely this is gonna work for you. So first method in this method how you can actually fix the issue is that try to change the display color settings in the iQOO 7 smartphone. As in, these are the comments which I got. So let's go to the settings option and try to go to the display. Under the display there is a screen color mode. As you can see, try to change from standard to bright or maybe professional and try to change back to the standard. In this way you can actually regain the previous colors in the iQOO 7 device. This is one way which a few of the users they did mention that, and it is actually working for them as well. So in case if you are facing this kind of display color issues in the iQOO 7 device, so make sure to check out this trick how you can actually fix that. And next way to fix this kind of issue is that just you need to restart the device. Yes friends, simple restart of the phone also will be fixing this device. So same issue for the display, and after the restart it works completely fine. Yes, these are the two ways how you can actually fix this kind of display color issues in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see friends, so many comments regarding this display color, as you can clearly see. So many users did mention so many comments as well regarding this issue, and so I thought of just letting you know what's going on here and how to fix this kind of display color issues as well. So hopefully this might help a lot of other users and subscribers. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for everyone watching my videos and commenting under my videos as well. That's really helpful for a lot of other users to clarify the doubts. Meanwhile, signing off friends, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. In case if you have the iQOO 7 device, definitely you need to subscribe to my channel because I'll be keep on posting the updates on the iQOO 7 smartphone. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time, more updates, and bye.